Let us try to add the read_FASTA function that we coded as part of the functions notebook inside the module called FASTA.io. Now I have provided you here with a skeleton file that's got some contents already in that we will explore later, but you can just as well, if you want, create a new file that is not. You can use the editor that you fire up by clicking on this link to edit the file only if you're working locally. If you're not working locally, that is, if you're working on the Jupyter Hub or on a binder, you have to go a roundabout way that I'm going to show you now. So we go back to the directory and we open that file from here. Here it is. So now we want to retrieve the read_FASTA function from the functions notebook, and paste it inside this file. There it is. We can save the file. So if you're running the binder, save it to the binder by clicking the save button. And now we can actually close and go back to our modules notebook. Here it is. So if we now click again on this, we should see that it contains this function. Okay, like for any other module, we import the module, and I just for laziness, and I can call the function and pass the name of the file, and as long as the file is in my working directory, the function should actually work. And there we go, we get the output from that function. So as you see, we don't actually have the code for read_FASTA in this notebook. The function is tucked away in the module, and that's where we're reading it from.